In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix D3D compiler underscore 47.dll in Windows 7. So first thing, you want to go and open Google Chrome. Over here, you want to type the name. So type in D3D compiler underscore 47.dll and click, and then type download. Go to this website, dll-files, and then go here. Now here, download the folder according to your system. So if you go to this PC and then properties, you will see your operating system. If it's 64, then download the 64 version here. Download this one. Then wait for the install. So once this downloads, you can go to the downloads here, then extract it. And then inside here you will see the .dll folder. So place this here, go to this PC, C drive, go to Windows, and here go to System32. Press S to find it faster. So here should be System32. As you can see, I finally found it. So inside System32, you just need to drag and drop this folder. So just drag it and drop it here, and then click replace. So if you already have it, then you won't see the replace. Like, you won't see the option that says replace. You will just be able to drag it in easily. And after that, you can just close this down. Next thing, you want to go to CMD, and then right click, run as administrator, then click OK. And then here you need to type in this command. So dism /online/cleanup image restore health, and then press enter. And then write the second command, sfc/scan now. And once this done scanning and repairing the issues, this should basically fix your issue. I also recommend restarting your computer.